Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Pretty sure you will agree with me that today's world is changing rapidly and there are not so many things you can depend on anymore. Well, I have one thing for you where there is absolute certainty that it will happen again and again. And you probably already guessed what it is. We are looking on the back of this 2000 Sequoia, and of course it's the handle. You saw me in different video dealing with it immediately after I bought this truck, right? It was stuck, of course, so I did few videos on that. It was perfectly working and it lasted approximately 1 month. It's not working again. And I know it's not the lock mechanism which is on the bottom here. I know for certain it's the handle, right? I can feel the same problem. The range of moving that cable, of that movement is bad. I can feel that the handle bent and it's refusing to work. So I will go ahead and lower that rear window, right? And as you saw me in the different video, I will use this nice wire and really quickly and easily open the whole hatch. Here we go. And it's easy really quickly to confirm that the problem is not in the lock but in the handle, because look, if I pretend that I'm closing it and I pull on this lever, it doesn't give me much resistance and it will open. You see that? Perfectly open. And it's confirmed, you saw it, that lock mechanism is not giving any resistance whatsoever, right? But that bad design, that handle which is in the door, that material I show you in different video, it's so soft that it just keeps bending and bending until the range of pull on that cable is so small that it will not open again. And I'm personally tired of this, right? I had enough of taking this apart, putting it there, and it will bend again. A lot of owners like you or the previous owner, they replaced that handle from different sources, including OEM, right, from the Toyota dealer. They went through like 5 of those handles and they just keep repairing it. Because of that, I will go and redesign it. I will find solution to it and I will share it with you later on this channel. So cross the fingers, wish me luck, and hopefully it will not take me forever, right, to redesign it, and you will see this video posted. Make sure you are subscribed that you don't miss it. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day, my friend.